How to block not safe for work content on Reddit app. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now go ahead and open up Reddit app, and once you do that, click on the profile avatar or picture at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here scroll down to the view options section, where you will be able to find the last two options that are related to the not safe for work content. Now if you wanted to just hide the not safe for work content, you can turn on the blur not safe for work images option, turn it on, and by doing this, those images and that content will be blurred, but it will not be hidden or blocked. However, if you wanted to just block it completely and hide it, what you need to do is you need to turn off the toggle of the option that says show not safe for work content off. And once you do that, the not safe for work content will not be shown, it will be hidden, and it will be blocked. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide and turn off the not safe for work content on Reddit app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.